Welcome back, I'm Tom Smith and we're halfway through our Kim Kardashian brown to platinum transformation. If you haven't watched the first part, click on the link below. Now Lydia is back with us after a week. She's used Olaplex and the Evo protein mask on her hair every day and she's been wearing a wig to cover it up, so she's desperate to get this finished. But stick with us and you'll see the process for today. Using the same formula as last week, we will visually apply lightener to the darkest parts of the hair, using cotton wool to protect the lightest parts. Certain areas lifted perfectly last week, so we will avoid those completely to keep them healthy. And once the darkest parts have begun lifting, I'll apply the same formula to any other areas that might need further lightening. When I'm happy we have an even, super light base colour, we'll rinse everything and apply Olaplex 2 for 20 minutes before toning. This is not always necessary, but with colour work like this, I prefer to use Olaplex 2 between every step to keep the porosity of the hair even and preserve the condition. I'll be using Wella Illumina 10.1 with 10.6.9 with Pastel Developer, and of course Olaplex to tone the hair. I want to keep it as light as possible while neutralising any remaining yellow to give us a perfect clean silver platinum. Remember, it's not always possible to bleach the hair to complete white without causing irreparable damage, even with Olaplex, so toners of some kind are always necessary. For blow dry and styling, I'm using my favourite combination for bleached hair, the Head Mistress Cuticle Sealer and Love Touch Shine Spray from Evo. Remember, it's expected that the hair will be fragile at this stage, and so Lydia will continue with using Olaplex 3 at home for at least 20 minutes before every shampoo and use the Main Attention Protein Mask from Evo as a supercharged conditioner. This will quickly rebuild her hair to a place where it's less vulnerable. Every other wash, Lydia can use the Customised Fabuloso Pro Pigmented Conditioner to top up the tone and maintain the shine. Thanks for watching. We definitely got the result that we wanted, and Lydia's hair is still feeling really strong. Now this took us 6 hours last week and another 4 hours today, but because we took the processing slowly and used all the correct products to repair and protect her hair, it's in a really great shape. I hope you like it as much as we do. Now what do you think? Let us know in the comments below and share this with your hairstylists or clients to show them what it really takes to go through these dramatic transformations.